You want to renovate your home with low budget? Just keep watching. Welcome to Designholic. 7 hacks to renovate your home with low budget. Number 1 is painting. Make a change in wall painting and fix the holes. Once you change wall colors, you will get a new, different mood. Number 2 is lighting. You can add new lighting items like lighting stands or new chandelier or ceiling spots and candles. Number 3 is accessories. You can add accessories and artwork to your home. Also, you can change lighting color to be warm. It will add richness. Number 4, change fabrics of the main sofa if it's necessary to do. Or just add new cushions with new spirit. All must be matched to your home style. Number 5, get rid of unnecessary items like jars, junks, broken toys. And don't forget to add storage units. It will manage your stuff. Finally, you can add plants. It gives a nice touch. Hope you like this video, and if you wanna see more, just subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you.